Hello, my name is Antigone Sherris. I teach at Triton College, and our college works in partnership with the National Fluid Power Association to bring information to all youth about fluid power systems. So today, what we're going to talk about is how 3 types of levers work. It's a physics concept that we discuss many times in engineering, but now we're actually going to do a demonstration of it. And that's what this project is going to show everybody. So we have kits, these guys, and they come with a little instruction sheet. And in this sheet, we're going to go through how to build a small lever system. First, when you open up your kit, you want to review what's in it. Make sure you have all your parts. First thing you want to do, I recommend you dry fit everything. Meaning, you assemble everything, but not do this one step right here. I always recommend take a moment, try to assemble it before you glue anything down. So in this presentation, I'm not going to use any glue. And the tape, the double-sided tape on the back of this, I'm not going to take off until the end. So there's a hole in one of the syringes. You're going to put one of the dowels through it. I do recommend that you put one of the little washers on the end. That way it has a bit of a stop on one side. Next, you have one of the wheels, and of all things, you're going to put another dowel in here. You can wiggle it to get it in. If it doesn't want to move in, mechanical advantage, use leverage. Position this vertically on the table and push. If it goes a little too far in, that's okay. Flip it the other way and push down. Then you'll have a flush spot. That is a spot where this will ultimately get attached, but we will wait on the attaching part later. The next wheel, the other dowel, same thing, slide it through. You can't push it all the way in, don't worry. Again, mechanical advantage, put this on the table and push down with your thumbs and get it to go through. Okay, this one you want to go through a little further than this one. This one's going to act as a table, like a little platform. It's going to be right there. This one is actually going to fit in here, and it's going to sit like that. So if I look at this sideways, I see how they both moved quickly because they dropped in. I'm going to put a little washer at the end of each of these to basically keep them from popping out. There you go. So you've got these guys. Next, I'm going to turn it around, okay? So this last picture is what I'm going to show you visually right here. So we're going to drop this in here. Drop that in here. This piece is the holder for the syringe. Pop it in. Now do you start seeing how it's all going to fit together? You might need to pull this up a bit, a little better. See that? I'm going to pick this entire thing up, turn it sideways. Put a little washer in there on that end. Keep that on there. And this is your most general setup, just to show you how it's going to look. I do recommend you push this all the way in, and on this, pop this out. So that way you won't have any air pressure fighting you in the system. This is our hose. To put it on, you have to hold it at a slight angle and then tip in. And then it will go on. Ditto for the other side. Okay. So you'll notice this wanted to pop out. This is where the last washer goes. So it keeps it all together. See? Hopefully this makes sense. I'll pause for a minute so you could look at that. Now is when I'll take the little bit of yellow covering off my tape and tape it down. It'll sit just fine. Now you notice, remember, what did I do? I took this little plunger out so that there's no pressurized system yet. Now watch what happens. Slide this in. We're going to push, and voila! Our cylinder works. And what we've created essentially is like a little switch that goes back and forth. So it could be a latch for a doorway. It could be the access hinge that you need to help with your brake system in your car, or to open a door itself. Literally swing it open, close it, possibly swing them open this way and close. I hope this video has helped you understand a little bit about fluid power. If you have any questions, by all means, contact Triton College or the National Fluid Power Association. We're happy to help. Take care. Have a great day.